Good morning everyone. By the way, I'm Kianci Paris, and today video I will teach you how to clean your bedroom. First, you will arrange your sleeping bed. Your dirty clothes and put it on a basket. Finally, you will gonna do some broom of your bedroom. Guys, that's all on my YouTube, and please subscribe my YouTube channel and click the notification bell and drop a like.
Never up, never down, never.
See you guys again soon.